Get silly, hey! Freaking.
I just remembered something.
What?
I put on the wrong shoes.
You put on what?
The wrong shoes to play football.
Oh.
Yes, how does that make you feel? Oh, PSP is on the bus earlier. Oh, gotta go upstairs. Hey, maybe you can use some of my shoes if you fit. Small shoes.
What are you doing? No.
He wears 7.5.
You have to go back to the
Shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Run.
What are you doing?
Let's go downstairs.
Get online.
I don't know. There it is again. There it is again. You see it? This door. I came in it with a pain in the hair squared to open it, you know. Hey, is it kind of cold out there? Sugbot. Alright, just let you guys know, we have not made the YouTube account yet. We're making the videos right now. That was a pain in the ass to open. Ow, my ass hurts.